Here in the beautiful mangrove forest we have over here, there are many types of abiotic factors leading to this. There is the climate, which is usually a tropical or temperate coastal area. It cannot be in anywhere that flows below 40 degrees Celsius during the winter, though. It's usually restricted along the coastline, however. The soil in a mangrove forest is very, very rich, mostly composed of salt, silt, and clay.
Well, also in the mangrove forest environment, you have ocean currents, these beautiful oceans where the currents play an important role in spreading mangrove propaganda, and it's important because the sediments or seeds that are carried through the ocean currents, some of them may not be able to survive in extremely cold temperatures, so the colder ocean currents may hurt the spreading and catching of these seeds. And then also you have all of the rates of sedimentation where these seeds and they travel down the rivers and other areas, and they develop best where the sediments, there's lots of sediment buildup as the rivers slow down, and so it's important that there's a strong flow of rivers and currents. And then also you have the salinity, which is important due to the well, it's important with the fresh water because the fresh water helps the get the right levels of salinity for the mangrove forest areas and helps with the spread of inorganic nutrients.
Here we have this turtle. They're the most common in Indian waters, and they're valuable for their meat and shell.
Well, another species of animals that are very important in the mangrove forest are the birds. They are very prominent in the forest, and they often found in large numbers, and they offer rich feeding groups, and they are a very spectacular species found here in this forest.
Here we are with the mangrove apples. They reach up to 30 meters in height, and their apples are edible.
Good.
This is the broadleaf orange mangrove. It is essentially a back mangrove species and is essential for tannin.
Here in the mangrove swamp, we have many types of insects. They help to pollinate many different plants, and they're an important food source to smaller animal types.
Humans use the mangrove forest for timber, agriculture, and mining.
So there's many threats against the mangrove forests. For example, clearing for human settlements and agricultural land, as well as river changes for with dams and irrigation. And then also you have the fishing, which affects the different populations of fish, as well as the food chains involved in the forests.